Namaskar, my name is Rajendra. Thank you for joining our online yoga classes. Today we are going to practice Kapalbhati. First, let me explain to you what is Kapalbhati, how it can be useful, and what are some precautions before practice it properly. Kapalbhati is a breathing exercise for the purification of body and mind. It is one of the kriya. In Hatha Yoga, we have six purification technique known as Sat Kriya, and Kapalbhati is one of the cleansing practice. Kapalbhati word consists of two words, Kapala and Bhati. Kapala is a Sanskrit word for skull or for forehead, and Bhati means cleansing, purification. So we can say that Kapalbhati is a breathing exercise to give clarity in your thoughts and body. Now let's talk about the benefits of Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati have a lot of health benefits. Some of them I try to summarize here. It energizes and rejuvenates our body and mind by removing letharginess, laziness. Kapalbhati helps in sharp our memory. It improves our blood circulation, detox the body and bring glow in skin and eyes. Kapalbhati also useful for improving the blood circulation and elimination of waste. It also increases our lungs elasticity and capacity. It also helpful in relieving the mental stress and brings clarity in thoughts and ideas. Kapalbhati increases our metabolism resulting in weight management. Kapalbhati also purify our blood as most of us are shallow breather. It means we do not inhale and exhale properly, or we do not use our lungs capacity properly. So Kapalbhati practice helping to increase the exhalation of carbon dioxide by rapid exhalation. So by increasing the exhalation, it helpful in the elimination of poisonous gas carbon dioxide. So by exhaling carbon dioxide more, it purify our body. Now how it purify our mind? In our mind we have chemoreceptors. They are special cells responsible for maintaining the oxygen and carbon dioxide level in our blood. So when we practice Kapalbhati, our oxygen level increases in the blood. So these chemoreceptors get activated to balance carbon dioxide and oxygen level. So chemoreceptor slow down the breathing and helps in calming the mind. These are some benefits of Kapalbhati. Before we start teaching how to practice Kapalbhati, we also need to understand what are some precautions, some preconditions which we need to follow to start Kapalbhati. As you know, this practice increases the blood circulation. So if someone suffering from high blood pressure, some kind of heart issues, they need to practice under guidance or with some extra care. This is also not very useful for people who have lower back pain, as in Kapalbhati we are rapidly hitting the back muscles which can aggravate the pain. If you have severe eye issues, or if you have recent surgery or pregnancy, or for female student if you have period time, you should avoid practicing Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, we do forceful rapid exhalation. It does not mean there is no inhalation. There is inhalation, but it is not very active. We do passive inhalation, but active and forceful exhalation. So during Kapalbhati, we try to force our belly muscles to push the belly to exhale the air out. I'll demonstrate one round. Very gently, you sit upright. Ensure your back remains straight. This is very important to keep the back straight upright during the practice of pranayama and meditation. Choose a posture in which you can sit upright, and if you have any health issue or tightness on your legs or pelvic area, use some blocks or pillow to support your hips. Ensure your back remains straight upright. Hands position either in Chin Mudra or Jnana Mudra. Make sure during the practice of Kapalbhati, you are not straining or tightening your eyes or facial muscles. Maintain a gentle smile during the practice of Kapalbhati. Intensity of exhalation or pressure should be felt on your belly. So before you begin the Kapalbhati, ensure you are doing belly breathing. That means when you breathe in, you are expanding your belly muscles, and while you exhale, you are contracting your belly muscles. Practice few rounds of this belly breathing to ensure that you are using belly muscles properly. Once you are ready, take normal breathe in and out. Get ready, breathe in, start. Relax for a few seconds. If you are very beginner or starting first time Kapalbhati, do not force or push yourself to speed up the exhalation. In 1 minute, try to have 30 to 40 strokes